In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive account efficiently and effortlessly within just 5 minutes. OneDrive is a versatile cloud storage service that allows you to store files and access them from any device, anywhere, anytime. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the OneDrive homepage, you'll see an option that says Create Account. Click on it to initiate the account creation process. This will direct you to a Microsoft sign-up page since OneDrive is a Microsoft product. Now, you'll need to input an email address. You can use an existing email or create a new one on the Microsoft domain if you prefer. After typing in your email, click on Next to proceed to the password creation step. It's important to choose a strong password that combines uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you've settled on a secure password, type it in and click Next to continue. Next up is where you provide your basic identity information. You'll need to add your first and last name. This is essential as it helps personalize your OneDrive experience and makes your account identifiable. Once your name has been entered, hit the Next button to continue. Following that, you'll be asked to select your country and enter your birth date. This step is crucial for various reasons, including account recovery and content personalization based on regional settings. Fill in the necessary details and click Next. After you've completed the preliminary details, Microsoft will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox for this code. It might take a few moments to arrive. Once you have it, enter the code in the designated field on the Microsoft sign-up page and click Next. You're almost there. To finalize your account setup, follow the on-screen prompts. These might include agreements to Microsoft's terms of service and privacy settings. Ensure you read through these carefully. Additionally, as a security measure, you might be prompted to verify your email address or phone number. This step ensures that your account remains secure and that you have full access to all OneDrive features. And with that, you've successfully created your OneDrive account. From here, you can start uploading files, creating folders, and exploring how OneDrive can streamline your digital storage needs. If you encounter any hurdles along the way, remember that support options are available directly from the OneDrive platform. Congratulations, and enjoy your newfound cloud storage capabilities.